Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'm sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, March 3rd to March 9th. I think it's a pretty good week if you guys want to get coupons. Otherwise, it's just a pretty decent week. I found some pretty good deals, a lot of shampoo and conditioner deals. So if you guys want to stock up on that, go for it. Now here we got deals of the week. We got 99-cent Snickers and M&Ms if you guys need some stuff like that. Now there's Kellogg's on sale for $1.88. Now it's Kellogg's cereal or Pop-Tarts. Now if you guys haven't joined the Kellogg's Family Rewards, I definitely recommend doing that. Anytime you buy a Kellogg's product, you just scan your receipt and you get points. And there's that. But there looks like there's going to be coupons for 50 cents. But if you guys go to that website, you can actually print off a 3 off of 5 coupon. If you guys are really into cereal like I have been lately, you guys use that 3 off of 5 coupon that you guys can print. You guys will end up get 5 of them. Use that coupon. You guys would pay $6.40. Comes out to be $1.28 a piece. Not the greatest deal for those kind of size boxes, but I still think it's a pretty good deal. Otherwise, if you just have a 50-cent off coupon, it makes it for $1.38. Now, there are also some deals on Savings Star or Checkout 51 to get some other deals, but I know my store doesn't carry a lot of the flavors that they do have in those perks, so just give you guys a heads up on that. Angel Soft is $1.99. I used to use Angel Soft all the time until I started couponing. And then I ended up getting better toilet paper, but I got nothing wrong with Angel Soft. We still use that if we have to. But it's $1.99, and we're getting a 50-cent off coupon for that, so you guys can get it for $1.50. Extra is 99 cents. A lot of you guys like stocking up on that. I like buying that stuff and like donating it to like animal shelters or people who just really need it. I mean, 99 cents for laundry detergent is a pretty good deal. Wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Then they have Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon, making it $4. And then there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. The coupon will automatically apply what you buy, so those come out to be $1 a piece. I like it when it's cheaper, but hey, $1 a piece is what you guys can do. Then there's some food deals. Nothing really popping up on the food deals. I mean, I see stuff on sale all the time, but nothing really. I feel like the stuff repeats itself over and over and over again. Candy deals, nothing really popping out on that. Otherwise, I see, where's that? And then now we're in the cleaning supplies section. Now they do have Clorox. I like getting the Clorox wipes because that's how we clean a lot. So they are 2 for $5. Looks like there's going to be a $1 off of 2 coupons, so making them $2 a piece. Hopefully, we can find some better deals, but if you guys really need that stuff, it's an okay deal. Windex is 2 for $6.50. We have a $1.50 off of 2 coupon that's coming out in this paper for Windex Scrubbing Bubble Shout. Fantastic. Making them $2.50. An okay deal if you guys are interested in that. Renews-Its, those are 89 cents, and then there is some coupons coming out, but I didn't see any when I did the coupon preview, so we will see what comes out. Sometimes they surprise us on that stuff. Here we got, some batteries and other stuff. Nothing really popping out. Oh, look, vitamins. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. Now, here we got Flintstones in 1 a day. Doesn't say what the price is, but it looks like it's going to be $3 off with cards, so I'm assuming that is with the Walgreens booklet, or that's just what the sale price is $3 off the regular price. And then it says there's $7 off with card, including the $4 off. So it looks like it'll be on sale for $3 off, and then you get the $4 off coupon. There also might be deals on Savings Star, so if you guys are interested in that. Okay, so now we are back. Centrum, $9.99. We're getting $3 off coupons, making them $6.99. Sometimes there's some good freebies out there. More medicines. Nothing really popping out. And you guys can check this ad. It usually pops up on Wednesdays. Thermacare is buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting $2 off coupons. I don't know why it says $1, but $2 off coupons. Here is Excedrin, 2 for $20. We're getting $1 off coupons, but I think we're getting a $1.50 off coupon. Then you get 5,000 points when you buy 2. There might be an Ibotta deal. I don't know if it's just for Walmart only, but there's that. Now we're getting into the personal care products. Now here we got Crest on sale, the toothpastes, the toothbrushes, and the mouthwash. Now we do have $1 off coupons, I think, for the toothbrushes and the mouthwash. But we do have $2 off coupons for the toothpaste. So you guys would get them for $3.99. Use that $2 off coupon. You want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making them for free. So I'm hoping to see if my register reward will print. Still waiting for my register rewards from 2.5 weeks ago. So waiting on that. They got Colgate Optic White, $6.99, and then you guys get $6 register reward when you buy 2. Not the greatest deal, but there is that. We do have the Love, Beauty, and Planet. Now, I just recently started using the shampoo and conditioner, and I really like it. So, it just says you get a $5 register reward when you spend $20 or more. Now, I think these are like 6 something a piece, but we are getting a buy one, get one free coupon. So, I'm hoping we can get some good deals with that. And then there is the L'Oreal Aleve is 2 for $8. We are getting 4 off of 2 coupons, making them $2 a piece. I can't remember if there's any in the Walgreens booklet, but not the greatest deal. Here's an awesome deal for you guys, is the Garnier Whole Blends. They're 2 for $7. We are getting a 4 off of 2 coupon, making them 2 for $3. And then we have the $1 off coupons in the Walgreens booklet, making them 50 cents a piece. Hate how there's a limit of 1, but that is an awesome deal. TRESemmé 2 for $10. You get 3,000 points when you guys spend $15. And we also have the buy one, get one free coupons for that. Bic razors are buy one, get one 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you buy 2. We are getting $2 off coupons, so there could be some good deals with that or some freebies with that if you guys are interested. And then they have the Garnier Skin Active. Now they are buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting coupons for them. Plus, there's coupons in the Walgreens booklet. It just varies on what you're going to do, so I'm going to try to do that. I might have to do a second haul because I don't get these coupons in until Monday, so we will see what we can do with that. And now we are on the last page of the Walgreens ad. The Arm & Hammer are buy one, get one free. I think the coupons expire that Saturday. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but you can only use 1 coupon. You can't use 2. 7-Up is 3 for $8.99, which could be an okay deal, I guess. Kit Kat bars, Reese's 79 cents. Ice cream $3.99. So otherwise, it's an okay week. I think it's going to be some good weeks. There are going to be some hidden stuff on us, I have a feeling. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I will see you guys all on Sunday for my Walgreens haul. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.